Ever wondered how your thoughts shape your life? Welcome to As a Man Thinketh by James Allen, a timeless guide on harnessing the power of your mind to transform your reality. Let's take a look and discover how your thoughts can become the blueprint of your destiny. At the core of As a Man Thinketh is the idea that our thoughts are powerful forces shaping our lives. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you plant positive thoughts, you'll cultivate success and happiness. But if you let negative thoughts take root, they can lead to failure and sorrow. Your thoughts are the seeds of your destiny. Imagine your mind as a sculptor's tool. Every thought you entertain chisels away at your character, shaping who you are. Positive thoughts like strength, courage, and integrity transform you into a confident and virtuous person, just like a sculptor reveals a beautiful statue from a block of marble. Think of your mind as the weather, capable of changing your life's forecast. When you're caught in a storm of negative thoughts, your circumstances reflect that gloom. But as soon as you embrace positive thinking, the clouds part and sunshine brightens your path. Your thoughts can turn adversity into opportunity. Your mind is like a mirror reflecting on your physical health. Negative thoughts can manifest as stress and illness, darkening your well-being. On the flip side, positive thoughts promote health and vitality, making you feel vibrant and energetic. Your mental state is a key factor in your overall health. Purpose acts like a compass, guiding your thoughts towards meaningful goals. When you have a clear purpose, your thoughts align with your ambitions, paving the way for success. Imagine plotting a course on a map. With each positive thought, you move closer to your destination, achieving milestones along the way. Achieving serenity begins with mastering your thoughts. When you cultivate a peaceful mind, filled with affirmations of peace, calm, and balance, you create an inner sanctuary. Picture yourself in a serene place, free from chaos. This tranquility in thought brings harmony to your life. As we conclude, remember that your thoughts are powerful tools. As a Man Thinketh teaches us to harness this power for a better life. Embrace positive thinking, shape your character, and transform your circumstances. Ask yourself, what seeds of thought am I planting today? How can I use my thoughts to navigate life's challenges? Start today with these actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor and nurture your thoughts daily. 2. Set clear, positive goals and visualize achieving them. 3. Cultivate a peaceful mind through positive affirmations. Begin now and watch your life change for the better.